Okay, as you can see, I screwed on some handles on this box here. There's the screws. I had some handles on the inside. I decoupaged some pieces of poems in there, if you'll see that. It's just decoupage, and I burnt and tore some poems and put on the inside. So there's that. On this side, I don't know if you can see that, I put a little hook right here, so you can hang something if you want to. Okay, I sealed the outside. I took it outside and spray sealed it. So there's that. It has a nice seal on it. Now I'm going to take this rope and I'm going to glue it around the edges of the inside of this box and see how that goes. So that's where we're at now. I'll just start on one corner and put some hot glue in there. And then work my way around. I just think that finishes it off and makes it look a little bit nicer. And then I'll just keep going around until I get all the way to the other side. I might need to take this off and make it easier. Need another glue stick. I put a lot in the corners. Try to push it up in the corner as much as I can. Yeah, it's a little bit hot. Burns my fingers a lot. But it's worth it. It looks good in the end. Looks real good. Oh, here was the top. I did the top. I sealed it. The back side. The top. It turned out pretty good. Push that up in the corner as far as you can. And I use the hottest setting my glue gun will go on. To get that to melt really good and really fast. And it'll just give it a more finished look when you're done. Measure that and cut it before you glue it down. So I'm going to say maybe about right there. I usually try to cut it at an angle. Blow that out of there. Yep, that looks pretty good. Lots in the corner. Put that in there like that. Push it down. Oh, ow, ow, ow. See, extremely hot. Use extreme caution. It's really hot. Really hot. Proceed at your own caution. It's super hot. see if I can get this thing back on here so I can stand my gun up. That should be good. Get that little string off. That should be nice and strong. I'll try to get some of that glue off my fingers. Sometimes it peels my skin off. It's never pleasant. Anyway, there we go. That's what the inside looks like now. Can you see that? Look good to you? I think it does. Okay, alright. That is pretty much done, I think. I don't think I'm going to do anything else to the top. That's it. So I have this project as one project, or I have the one we made earlier. And it's this one. So you tell me which one that you liked best. All right, thanks. See you next time.